Guys, it's Amy. Welcome back to Table Flipping Housewife. I hit the ultimate jackpot at Goodwill yesterday when I found this desk. There's nothing wrong with it. It's ready to be posted on Facebook Marketplace, but at the last minute, I did do a quick update in order to package this desk with a chair as well. So, if you'd like to see what I did and the beautiful outcome, then sit back and enjoy. I purchased that desk at Goodwill for $25. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm reselling it as is. But I had this chair in the basement someone gave me, and I thought I would try applying some Restor-A-Finish on it. I've never done it before, but why not give it a whirl on a free chair, right? So I'm just going to use, the directions say you can use a steel wool pad, super fine. This happens to be dark walnut. I just had it. I think my mom gave it to me. So let's give it a whirl. It says if you're using steel wool, you'll need to go with the grain of the wood. It restores the original color and luster to the finish while blending out minor scratches and blemishes. Good. That's what we want. Now there's some paint on the chair. I'm just gonna go right over it. So you're supposed to wipe it on and then wipe it dry immediately, working in small areas. Okay, so this is a lint-free rag. All right, we'll keep going. If you're wondering why is she doing that on a chair with paint, it's because I'm throwing this in. I'm not really going to charge for it. And the desk has some wear on it, so why not the chair too, right? I'm going to switch to the front. I'm going to do half of the chair off camera and then turn the camera back on to see if you can see a difference. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. No way. Now this little stain hasn't had any applied to it yet, but y'all, look at this stuff is magic. Look at that. That is nutty. All right, I'm gonna keep going. See, there's that. See? No, it's still there, but it looks a lot better. So I just had a thought. If Restor-A-Finish covers scratches, let me experiment and sand this white paint off and then put Restor-A-Finish on top and see what it looks like. See. Shut the front door. All right, Restor-A-Finish. All right, I'll go sand off the other white paint. Wow.